Hello, my name is Marian-Bernice and I'm here to present on my e-commerce final project. For this project, I had to build an e-commerce bag store called Baggett, owned by my big sister. For this store, her value proposition is to link Ghanaians to various top brands worldwide, who sell all categories of bags from handbags, luggages, backpacks, amongst others. This store is a hybrid one as she has the physical store located in Tema, and now I have created an e-commerce site. Her competitors are the actual brands which she gets the bags from, for example, ASOS and Gucci. However, her comparative advantage is that these brands are not located in Ghana, so she makes these bags available to the market space, that is Ghanaians, at cheaper prices without the expensive shipping cost. For now, her source of revenue is through the sale of bags, in which she receives payments via Paystack, which is a mobile money and card payment platform, as well as PayPal, which is card-only payment platform. So that was just a brief intro. Now, then with the website and right after, I would show some interesting backend code. So this is basically the IP address, and when entered, this is the page it brings you to the home page. We have our navigation bar. We have these other navigations. We also have the carousel. We have about bag aids. We have some featured bags. When you click on it, it will send you to this single bag page. We also have Get Cozy with Baggage. When I click on Shop Now at this Gucci side, it will send me to Gucci bags. And then I have my footer. We have the home page. Then if you click on products, it will send you to all products. Then when you click on About, it will just send you to the About part of the index page, basically. So yeah, that's it. And then this is the contact us. You can find their actual shop here. You can also find their number, their email. This is their email, and this is their social media pages. If I click on shop now, it will also send me to all bags page. So now how a user can use the system is either you're an admin, a logged in user, a not logged in user. So I'm going to use the system as a not logged in user. And to do that, I can go to bags. And when I go to bags, these are all my bags. I did pagination because there were a lot of products. So this is it basically. I can shop by male, I can shop by female, unisex categories, be it luggages, be it wallets, be it shoulder bags. I can also shop by brands. Let's go to Gucci, let's go to Rivington, let's go to ASOS. So yeah, these are all the things you can shop by. So let's basically view a product. This is one of the bags we have. This is the title, the price, the brand, the category, and the description. And then these are related bags, and the related bags are basically bags of the same category. So these are all purses. And then there are reviews here. Because the user is not logged in, the user is not able to add reviews. And currently for this product, there are no reviews yet made. So let's add this to carts. So this product has been added to carts. So we can go to carts, then we can change the quantity. Let's make 100. Unfortunately for this product, there are just 36 bags available, so you can't buy anything beyond that. So for now, let's just buy one for testing purposes. So let's check out. Unfortunately, this user isn't logged in, so we would have to, in order to make payments, the user would have to log in. So what we can do is to go to register here, and then let's try the registration. So let's try David Fred. Then the email gfred@gmail.com. So the password, it has to consist of at least one letter and a number. So let's put in log me in 99. Log me in 99. So the country, let's put in Ghana, obviously. Then let's put in Ada as the town. And then the contacts, this is basically the contact. So it says successfully registered. So now let's enter as David Fred. And let's put in a wrong password to see what will pop up. So let's put in log me in instead of log me in 99. It says incorrect email or password. So now let's put in the correct one. So log me in 99. So before the user was redirected to the login page, he clicked on checkout. So now that he's been able to log in, he's been redirected to checkout. So now the user can pay with either PayPal or Paystack. Let's try with Paystack. Confirm. Says payment successful. So it sends us the payment success page and it says thank you for purchasing with us, David Fred. This is what David Fred purchased and the total amounts. So basically this is a receipt. So this is it for a logged in and not logged in user who became a logged in user. So now that at first the user couldn't add reviews, now that he's logged in, he can go to a product. Let's view this one. So this one, reviews have been made. So now that he's logged in, he can add his own review, can say, I love it. Submit this review. As you can see, David Fred's review is here. I love it. David Fred can delete only his own review in case he doesn't want it there any longer. So let's click delete review. It says review deleted. When you come back, his review is no longer there. So that works. Also for here, you can search. So let's search for red. So these are all the things that have the name red inside. So basically that's it for this. And so we're going to log out and log in as an admin. The admin was pre-registered, so all we have to do is log in. So speaking to the admin said she wants her system to be like that of a customer as well, but the only difference is that she can make some additions, which is the brands, categories, and bags, and check her orders. She said this because she's a lover of bags, so she would buy bags herself and she would want to keep inventory. That's why she would want to take record of all of that. So let's look at how the ad brand works. So let's add 9 West. It says successfully added, as you can see here. So let's update 9 West and make it 9. So updated 9, and so we can also search for product 9. We search for 9 is here. We can delete 9. So that's it for brands. To go back to the homepage, you click on the logo. So to add categories, basically the same thing. So let's add jeans. Jeans added. Let's update it. Let's make it cross bag. So let's update that. It's been updated from jeans to cross bag. So let's search for cross bag. Say up here, so we can delete. We already updated, so let's just try deleting. So it's been deleted. So that's the fourth category. So for add bag, we can add any bag. So let's add bag basically in 23 academy handbag female description. Let's make it lovely or something. Stock, let's make it 3. And so let's choose an image. So let's choose this image. So let's add this. So it's been added, as you can see, adders bag. So on this page, you can also see the items that are out of stock. So for red shoulder bag, it's out of stock. So what you can do is to either update stock or archive. So let's archive. When you archive, it comes here. So let's go back to see if it's still there. It's no longer there, it's out of stock. So let's go back there and retrieve red shoulder bag. So red shoulder bag has been retrieved. Let's go back to bag list. Is there, so we can update this and make it 1. So now that it's been updated, let's look for red shoulder bag. As you can see, it's here. It's no longer here. So yeah, let's update this. Let's make it others, just others. To just this 31. So this is others. It's been updated. We can archive. Once you archive it, come here. We can permanently delete. As you can see, it's been permanently deleted. So that's it for the products, the back side. So we also have others. So the admin can see all the things that have been bought. So today, these are the items that have been bought, and this is the amount she's made in total, 31 Ghana cedis. So yeah, that's it. So this is basically all the things that the admin can do. in addition to making payments. So let's search for something and buy it. So let's buy Academy Red Backpack. It's been added. Let's try buying this with PayPal. So you log in. Pay now. So you're paying $21. So payment was successful, hence the redirection to the payment success page says, thank you for purchasing with us, admin, and this is what he purchased. So basically that's it for the admin. So now I'm going to show some interesting code, and for me it will be this navigation bar, the male, female, unisex categories, handbags, blah blah blah, brands, Gucci, Academy, Rivington, right? So for that one, what I had to do is basically on the navigation bar, we have the male, female, unisex, normal, but for the categories, we had to use for each. So the thing is, the categories and brands here are arrays, and they are gotten from the product controller, as you can see here, view categories, view brands. So what basically this for each statement thing is saying is that loop over the array, and each value for that current array is assigned to either cart or brand. And then the array point is advanced by 1 to go to the next element in the array. So given a clear understanding using categories, the categories here is the name of the arrays I'm looping to, and then the cart is the name of a single array element inside the categories array. And then the cart name is basically the array that contains the data I want. So basically the backpack, handbag, etc. But for me, the most interesting part is basically this link. So for the link, what I had to do is when the user, so as you can see, when the user clicks on Rivington, the user sees this. So what I had to do is that on the all products page, the user is supposed to get the type and the ID. So if the back type is cart or brand or gender, it would shop by either the cart or either by the brand or by the gender, which is all a class in the a controller. So this is basically it. So by category, instead of looking for it by ID, you look for it by card. So basically, so if it's by category, you view categories, and then this is how you call it. So that's why it looks like this basically. So that's the interesting thing for me about the navigation bar. Another interesting thing for me is for archiving. Normally, we know deleting, but rather than deleting a I decided to use the concept of soft delete. So what I did was to create a table in the database called archived. It's basically the same as products. So the archive function, or let me say the archive class, when you go there, what you're supposed to do is insert into archive. So you insert and you insert that product into archive. So this will insert the product into archive. Then when it inserts into archive, it will delete from products so that it wouldn't appear there again. It wouldn't appear on the products page or anything of that sort. So basically, this is how the archive product works. If you want to permanently delete a product, you'd have to delete an archive rather than delete a product. So you go to the archive page, then you have the means to retrieve or archive as I displayed in my demo. So basically that's one of some of the interesting things that I came across while doing my system. And I hope I explained everything well. And this is Bag It Store. Thank you very much.